The study of architecture takes into account the actual remains of different chaityas, which are actually rock-cut architecture. These are artificial caves or cave shelters hewn out of live rocks, mostly seen in the western part of Deccan. On the other hand, we have the very famous stupa of Sanchi. It is a particular way of approaching this architecture of the stupa by art historians that reveals to us how the stupa originally was possibly an earthen mound to mark a place as a funerary practice over the dead body of someone, later takes a particular Buddhist affiliation, and how then the stupa takes the form of a hemispherical dome, usually having a stone encasing with a number of attending elements on the top of the stupa. The stupa does not remain static in its structure but undergoes many phases. This is particularly seen, the stylistic evolution of the stupa can be studied by art historians by using the extant remains of stupas in different parts of the subcontinent. Similarly, from 600 CE onwards, one sees a new development in Indian architectural history. The emergence of structural temples, usually monumental in size. The period from 600 to 1300 is noted for the expression of very strong regionalism in Indian culture. If we see side by side with Sanskrit the emergence of regional vernaculars, we also see how three distinct temple styles emerged in three distinct zones of the subcontinent. The North Indian temple styles, with its tapering shikhara or the superstructure of the main temple, and is called Nagara style of temple. It can be very easily contrasted with the Dravida type of temple in South India, where we see the superstructure very tall but constructed as a pyramidal structure over the main shrine. And in between, the area which is presently Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh area, there emerge another distinct style called Vesara, which in a way stands for admixture. This is also an area, the meeting point of North India and also the far south. That's why here we find the admixture of both the North Indian style and the South Indian style, and it is called Vesara, which means mixed style of architecture.